Hey, it's Charlie here, and I'm just checking. I have two different kinds of firecrackers. I'm checking if TNT or wood class is better. Looks like TNT, but not sure. Joe, can you hold the camera? Point it like right over there. Let's try TNT. There. Cameraman jumped a little bit. That was nice. Alright. Now record. This one's got a little quicker fuse. Looks like wood class. More smoke too. Came over here. Nice. So wood class, you don't have to stomp it out, Joe. It was a pop. It wasn't a. Looks like wood class is better than TNT.